6b. 6a is homework. Let's do 6b. 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. So, Ikali, tell me what is my first step? What is my first step? Step 1 is what? Come on, Ikali, tell me. Comment. Step 1 is what? I will do. I will. Yes, I will find the slope. Ask Chumini, I trust her, Mike. So I will find the slope. And how to find the slope? I will differentiate this function with respect to x. Now, first of all, the function is just given like this. So let us write this one as fx is equal to this thing. So fx is equal to 10 minus 6x. I'll just give a name to this function, fx. So here, I will first find differentiation, differentiating with respect to x. This is my first step. So differentiation of fx is what? F dash x. Now differentiation of 10 is what? 0. I don't need to write. Differentiation of minus 6x is what? Minus 6. From where is that sound coming? And differentiation of this thing is what? Minus 4x. Okay. And now from here I can take minus 2 common. I can take minus 2 common. And what do I get if I take minus 2 common? So 3 plus 2x. I get 3 plus 2x, right? So I got the value of the slope. I got the value of the slope. Now after this, what I do? This is my step 1. My step 2 is what? Come on, tell me. Step 2 is what? My step 2 is to find the critical point. So let's do the critical point. So for critical point, and what is the condition for critical point? What is the condition for critical point? F dash x. Yes. So now put here minus 2, 3 plus 2x equal to 0. So tell me what is the value of x you got? The value of x is how much? So x is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2. Right? So I got the critical point as minus 3 by 2. Acha, what is my next step? This is my step 2. So my next step is what? Oi, oi, oi. Who? Sanchotan, is that audio coming from your side? Yeah? Yeah, nah, yeah, it was coming from your side only. So now you are, look at here. My next step, step 3 will be what? To draw the number line. Acha, let us do the number line in the next page. No, let's do it in here only. Because I need to. Yes, yes, 100%. What's the problem in number line? Yes, it's 100% compulsory. Now, I have to plot this minus 3 by 2 in the number line. Let us just plot minus 3 by 2 in the number line. So I get minus 3 by 2. So infinity minus infinity. So now take a value more than minus 3 by 2. Take a value more than minus 3 by 2. Tell me a number more than minus 3 by 2. Arey, yaar. 0. Let us take 0. Okay, 0 is more than minus 3 by 2, right? Now, if I put 0 in here, if I put 0, I have to check the sign of f dash x. Now, put 0 in here and tell me whether it will be positive or negative. If I put 0 in here, whether it will be positive or negative. Whether f dash x. Wow, positive. I knew it, you will say positive. Look at it carefully and tell me whether the value of f dash x will be positive or negative if I put 0 in that expression. It will be negative, right? Because if I put 0 in place of x, I get what? Minus 6. So the value of f dash x is what? Minus 6, right? So what we can say, so when in the right hand side of minus 3 by 2, no matter what value you put, no matter what value you put more than minus 3 by 2, the value of the slope is negative. So what can I say? F dash x is less than 0. Okay, f dash x is less than 0 for all values greater than minus 3 by 2. And if you have doubts in that, keep on putting values of x more than minus 3 by 2. Let us put 1. If you put 1 in there, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. If you put 2 in there, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. Again, it's negative, right? So for every value more than minus 3 by 2, I have f dash x as less than 0. Now tell me a value less than minus 3 by 2. Tell me a number less than minus 3. Minus 2. Now put minus 2 in here. Now put minus 2 in here and tell me whether it will be negative or positive. It will be positive. So if I put minus 2 in here, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So I see for every value in the left hand side of minus 3 by 2, f dash x is greater than 0. Okay. So now tell me the interval in which the function is increasing. Let's see who can tell me. Interval in which the function is increasing. Come on, Chumbeni now. You tell me. Yes, she was saying about Ai Kali. Now, Chumbeni, tell me the interval in which the function is increasing. Come on. Come on, come on. Try, try, try. You have to try. The function is increasing in which interval? Yeah, Chumbeni. Huh? Yeah, Chumbeni. I asked. I asked you the question, right? In which it is increasing. This where a function is increasing when f dash x is greater than 0, right? So this is the region in which the function is increasing. It will be minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. This is the region in which the function is increasing, right? So minus 3 by 2 to minus infinity. Now tell me, in which the function is decreasing? In which the function is decreasing? Huh? Mariani, tell me, in where does the function is decreasing? Come on. Now I should ask each one of you like this. Hmm? Nobody knows. Mariani, what happened? The function is increasing? Achha, let me forget it. You don't have to see. Acha, the function is increasing in the interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, right? Come on. Where is the function decreasing? The function is decreasing in this region, right? Wherever it is, where f dash x is less than 0. So when f dash x is less than 0, the function is decreasing. Yes, Sanjana, that's correct. So write down the function is decreasing. The function is decreasing in the interval minus 3 by 2 to infinity. Nobody wants to share their answer. That's why. Acha. So that's it. Question number B is done. Question number C. What do we do? Acha, question number D is homework. Let's do C. Question number D is homework. Let's do C. Acha, directly I'm writing here fx. Fx is equal to minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. So this is what we have. This is what we have fx. So my step 1 is what? My step 1 is to find the slope. And for slope, I will differentiate differentiate the function with respect to x. So write down differentiating with respect to x. So what I get? F dash x is equal to minus 8x square minus 6. Hey, sorry. Yes. Sorry. Minus 6. Thank you. Very good. That means you're not looking at here and copying it. Very good. Thank you. So minus 6x square minus 18x plus minus 12. So this is my f dash x. So what can I take common? I can take 6 minus 6 common. So let us take minus 6 common. So if I take minus 6 common, what do I get? This one will be x square minus 2x. Sorry, plus 2x plus. Wait, what am I doing? Now, from which planet I came from? Plus 3x plus 2, right? Okay. And you are from out of the solar system. Acha, now this thing, if I came from Jupiter. Now this one, I will do factorize, right? Quadratic equation. Minus 6. So if I factorize, how should I do? X square plus 2x plus x plus 2. So what do I get? Minus 6 x plus 2 and plus x plus 2. So I get what? Minus 6 x plus 2 and x plus 1. So what are the critical factor? What are the critical points? Plus 1. Acha, why have I done this one in here? Yeah. We should have done it in the next step for critical points. Oh no, it's okay, it's okay. We have done it. Okay, fine, fine. We have to do it. Yeah. So for now, my next step will be for critical points. For critical points, f dash x equal to 0. So what do you get? Minus 6 x plus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0. So from here, what are the values of x we got? The values of x are x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So these are the two critical points you got. So my next step is what? This is my step 1. This is my step 2. My next step is to find if draw the number line. Achha, where is that? Yeah, let's draw. I'm drawing it here, but you will draw after that. So here what we have is infinity minus infinity. Okay. Now the next thing what I will do, I will plot that critical points. So I will put minus 2 and minus 1. So where should I put minus 2? Let us put minus 2 in here, and I will put minus 1 in here. Okay. Now the two critical points divide the number line in three parts. So uh, tell me the first one, right hand side. Tell me value more than minus 1. So I'm talking about this region. Tell me a value more than minus 1. 0. Yes, 0 is okay. Now do one thing. Now put that value 0 in f dash x. Now we have to check the sign of f dash x, right? So now put the value 0 in f dash x and tell me whether is it positive or negative. Put 0 in f dash x and tell me whether it's negative. So I can write here f dash x is less than 0. Yes or no? Now tell me a value between minus 1 and minus 2. Tell me a value between minus 1 and minus 2. हाँ ये तो डिफिकल्ट हो गया है से -1/2 मैंने seriously -3/2 -1/2 is more than -1. अच्छा now put -3 by oi 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 oof you don't have to make so much noises, okay? You're a human being, not an animal. Now minus now if I put -3/2 in here, tell me what do I get? -6 -3/2 plus 2 -3/2 plus 1. See what you get. Is it positive or negative? Yes. Achha, let me find it. So -6 -3/2 plus half, it is half, and this one is what? Minus half. So minus minus gets cancelled, so it is positive. I don't care about the value. I just need the sign. So f dash x is greater than 0. Yes or no? And the last one, tell me a value less than -2. Tell me a value less than -2. Chalo. Wow, wow, wow. -3/2. I just used before between -1 and -2, and again -3/2. I think you're from -3, man. -3 is less than -2. So put -3 in there and tell me whether it's negative or positive. What have I done in my life that that I have to face this kind of? So -6 -1 -2 minus minus is plus and minus, that is f dash x is negative, right? So here, don't mind, okay? Acha, hey, keep quiet. Acha, now tell me the interval in which the function. Okay, wait. I will ask a person. Let's see, who should I ask? Kuvoi. Kuvoi, tell me the interval in which the function is increasing. Kuvoy, tell me first the interval in which the function is increasing. Hey, who's saying quietly? Look at here. Interval is what? The function. I can hear you. Okay. Now one thing. It says what? Where f dash x is greater than zero, right? F dash x is greater than zero. So minus two to minus one is the interval in which the function is increasing. So what I have to check? I just need to check where f dash x is greater than zero. If f dash x is greater than zero, then the function is increasing. So between minus two to minus one, the function is increasing. Yes or no? The simple concept. The function is increasing in minus 2 to minus 1. Okay? Acha, now, next question. Next. Acha, Sanchita, now you tell me. You are talking so much. Now you tell me. At way, the interval in which the function is decreasing. Tell me. The inter. Uh, that's it. Again, you missed out one thing. And what should I write between them? What should I write between them? Yes, that's right. Very good. So write down the function is decreasing in this interval. Okay, clear? The function is decreasing in this interval. Understood? Yes or no? Acha, let's do the last question. So question number E. Let's do it fast. Let's do it fast. Question number E. So what we have in here is fx is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. Acha, x minus 3 whole cube. Oof, it's too big. Now what should I do in here? Should I do the cube? Should I find the cube of this one? Sanchatan, can you tell me how should I do this one? I don't know how to solve this one. My God, forget it. Acha, now fx is equal to this thing, right? So what I will do for this one is I will differentiate. I will just directly differentiate. Forget about cubing. You see, I will apply UV product rule. So let us do differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So I get f dash x. So tell me, what is differentiation of x plus 1 whole cube? First, I will take x plus 1 whole cube out. UB rule. Then differentiate x minus 3 whole cube. Can anybody tell me what is differentiation of x minus 3 whole cube? The differentiation is what? 3 x minus 3 whole square into differentiation of x minus 3. And differentiation of x minus 3 is what? 1. So it is 3 into x minus 3 whole square. Everyone clear? Yes or no? And the next thing is what? Plus, then I will take x minus 3 whole cube out. X minus 3 whole cube out. Then differentiate x plus 1 whole square. Sorry, whole cube. What is differentiation of x plus 1 whole cube? It will be what? It will be 3x plus 1 whole square. And into differentiation of x plus 1. And differentiation of x plus 1 is what? 1. So it will be 3 into x plus 1 whole square. Okay? Everyone, yes or no? Now, can anybody tell me what can I take common from between them? What can I take common from between them? Look at here. I can take x minus 3 whole square and x plus 1 whole square common. Can I take this one common? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can I take this thing common between both of them? You look at both of them and this one is there. Now, if I take this thing common from here if I take common, what remains? X plus 1 remains. Yes, yes, very good. Thank you. If you would have said I couldn't have solved this one. I'm just joking. I said this one is what 2x minus 2, right? And we can take 2 common. So what do you get? If I take 2 common, I get 6 x minus 3 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, and x minus 1. Okay? Clear? Achha, now tell me for critical point f dash x equal to 0. For critical point f dash x equal to 0. So tell me how many critical points do I have in here? How many critical points do I have in here? Yes. And what are there? X is equal to x equal to x is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 1, right? So these are the three critical points we have. Yes, yes. Now let's draw the number line. Aha, we have to draw the number line here only. We don't have space. Now, if I draw the number line, so tell me one by one. So let us plot the critical points. So I have minus 1 in here, I have 1 in here, and I have 3 in here. So guys, tell me now. Tell me a number more than 3. Tell me a number more than 3. Yes. Now put 4 in here and tell me whether it will be positive or not. In place of x, put 4 in here and tell me it will be positive or not. Look, I don't have to put in here in the square, because square, no matter x is negative or positive, square of any number is positive, right? Yes or no? So what we can say is that here it will be, if I put f dash x will be positive, greater than 0. Acha, complete this question, okay? Complete this question. I think this class will just end. So f dash x is greater than 0 for greater than 3, and between 3 and 1, between 3 and 1 it will be what? 2. Again it will be positive. Very good. Now between minus 1 and 1, tell me, between minus 1 and 1, let us take 0. Between these two I will take 0. So if I put 0 in here, huh?